All right, this is Jeff from theboxman.com, where we change the way you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to go over a couple of small little videos about some cord cutting news I think I like to take a look at and maybe you might find valuable. One of the first ones I want to talk about is Plex. Plex is one of the long-standing fast channels out there, free ad-supported television channels that gives you tons and tons of content. What I've read about last week sometime is Plex is splitting up into more apps. Let's take a look at this article from howtogeek.com. So Plex is an all-in-one solution, if you didn't know, for hosting your own movie and TV library, backing up photos and videos, listening to music now, and much more. However, some features will start to move out of the main Plex app. Currently, Plex has one main app that has all that functionality from backing up photos. If you have your own movie or TV show library, you can connect your server with all your content to the Plex player. I'm not showing how to do that, but it's been a very powerful feature for many, many years now. Now, Plex just announced plans to adapt to continue delivering the best service possible, which means of splitting up the main Plex application into several different dedicated companions. In other words, if you have the Plex library and TV, that's going to go to one functionality. Second, backing up your photos is going to go to a second one. Listening to music is still going to be there, but instead of being all in one, it's going to be broken up into different pillars, if you will. So the main app currently handles the movies, the TV shows, photo upload and management, and many other functions. There's even a separate media player, a music player, if you didn't know, called Plex Amp. And now Plex is introducing a dedicated photo app, which I was just seeing in beta. So Plex Photos, you can see it right here, is now available as an open beta test, which I did, with similar functionality as the photos features already on the current Plex app. You can use it to synchronize all your photos and videos to a Plex server. So creating your own server with your own content is starting to gain a lot of momentum. So one of the biggest things that Plex wants to do is to be a companion and have apps like Plex Amp and Plex Photos that allows you to deliver this on many functions. Because there's so many people right now that have different ways of how they're, watching TV, how they're watching their media, and how they're getting entertained. Plex is at the cutting edge of that, and they're looking forward to this. Now, this is going to happen, I think, in the last quarter. This is the last quarter, October, November, December, before the end of this current year and going into the new year. So I wanted to give you a heads up. Check out Plex if you haven't downloaded it, but it already has. I already use Tidal, the music functionality on Plex right now. Really, really powerful. I would take a brand new look at the Plex app. I was able to pull up Escape from New York with Kurt Russell back in 1981. Had a couple of commercials there, but so far so good. I'm looking forward to what Plex does, who Plex becomes, as we keep you in tuned with everything that goes with cord cutting and streaming. Have a good day. All right, guys. The second thing I want to bring up is lately over the last 90 days, I've been hearing rumors, and it's all out on the internet, that Freevee, this great fast channel from Amazon, is being threatened, or they're threatening to get rid of it. It has been talked about over 90 days and it's picking up a lot of momentum. I don't think they're trying to get rid of it. Amazon is trying their best, though, to win you over to Amazon content only. But when Freebie came out a few years, when I found it a few years ago, it blew my mind. And now with over 500 fast channels, Amazon Freevee is becoming a go-to service for many cut cutters like you and me. The service offers originals such as Judy Justice and Bosch, as well as the syndicated channels across various genres of entertainment featuring popular movies and TV shows. Here are some channels that they're adding as of October 2024. So we're in October 1st. So you got Scares by Shudder, October 1st. Okay, this is for a good scary movie. Buffy the Vampire Slayer, October 1st. AMC Thrillers, The Walking Dead Universe, one of my favorite shows, The Walking Dead. MGM presents horror because it's October. They think, why do they feel like we gotta have horror in the month of October? I mean, scary any time of the year, right? So I don't know why they do that. Another thing, here are some other channels Freevee added in September. You got the Miramax movie channel. We are the movies for all levels and film fans, indie, BET, Tyler Perry dramas, BET, Tyler Perry comedy, CBS Sports, the Lazo Network, 24/7 channel. Okay. And another thing they just added this month was Team USA TV, which gives fans like you and me unprecedented behind the scenes look and extended 24/7 coverage of Team USA athletes when they were competing at the Paris Olympics. Other fast channels that'll be available to stream on Tuesday, August 6th: Dr. Phil, Bleacher Report, No Reservations, Nip and Tuck, on and on and on. Freebie is still here. If you don't know, you need to get to know. Find a way to install it. You will not be disappointed. Yes, does it have commercials? But man, nothing buffers, no subscriptions, nothing, and it's still around. And it has over 500 fast channels. 500 channels. Plenty of things to supplement what you're using. As I close out the video, I want to thank everyone for tuning in and watching this video. In the link description below, we are going to start showing you some of the best media devices for no money. I mean, they're very a low price. The minimum someone will pay is only $155. When you see the live TV, the box that it's on, it is Black Friday right now from this month all the way till Christmas, because I'm expecting to help many of you, hundreds of you, learn how to cut your cable, learn how to alternative ways to watch TV, and start giving word of mouth. I mean, tell people about these devices. These are great Christmas gifts, and I am making deals. So, what I'm going to do is include a link in this description so you could check out the top two offerings that have been the top two for the last 90 days. And I look forward to serving you. Thank you guys so much. Once again, our website is www.theboxxmen.com. That is theboxman.com. Have a great day.